And for once, you have to drive. Haha.
Well, you get to drive the way back.
Randy did call me. Or he did text. He does want to go. So, yeah, we gotta go get him.
Where's he at?
I don't know. I'll just tell you where to go.
Like, oh shit. It's like I've been slacking.
I'm recording. Oh, sick. I like that. Definitely don't have that.
My bird was yelling. Hear it from across the street.
Does he know you're going to the bird expo?
Probably. What are you guys going for?
I want another bird, a cage, some toys. I have a parakeet.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What kind of parakeet? Just like
He's an English budgie.
Okay.
While you guys shop for birds, I'm gonna be out here.
For real?
Put him 10.
So cool. Nobody wants to stay with me because I want to film. So I'm gonna do this on my own.
Guys will be ready in a couple weeks. They're $175. Those are Linnies. Not really my dream bird, but it's cute.
You gonna get a bird today?
No.
Didn't find what you wanted?
Not Really?
Birds everywhere. They're everywhere. Got everything?
Way less here, but I don't know what I'm really getting.
Is it expensive here?
It's not the worst. It's cheaper here, but the birds here I don't know. And there's only two options for the best bet, and those two are like wolf boys. They need to go.
Get out of here. Are you ready? Or should we stay?
There's nobody I want. Look at my new bird.
Sailboat fuel.
What? Ah. That took too long. Air.
Was it successful?
Yeah, but man, only one color worthy, and it had this beautiful, beautiful color. It was just these people that were picking up their birds like upside down and squeezing them like stress balls. Birds aren't stress balls.
I have to film some of this motocross while we're here. That's cool. I'm gonna fly the drone over it. Okay? I've been driving this road for about 20 years now, and I've never seen it this backed up. And we are going to come to a blind curve here in just a minute. I've sat on the side of the road for 2 hours before, waiting for the traffic to clear on this blind curve. So it's going to be really sketchy going around this turn. I hate driving this road when it's crowded, and it's Sunday at 1:30 in the afternoon, and it's jam-packed. So on a normal day, whoa, that guy got awfully close. On a normal day, this curve, every asshole who turns it hits this white line. See? Look at these wide ass turns. Go, 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 go. Just a little bit, just go. And this guy, he just doesn't know what he's doing. He's scared. You gotta be aggressive. Yeah, the small sound. Let's go.
I just haven't been more people. On the ground. It's okay.
Alright. We just got back from the Bird Expo. I'm waiting for Roman to pick me up. We're gonna head to Sac so he can record some vocal tracks for his solo project, music stuff. I'm out here playing with the cat. you have fun at the Bird Expo? Sorry you didn't get anything.
It's not your fault. It's handler's fault.
What up?
What up? Hey, I think we might be able to put the bass in the trunk.
Oh, do you want to come?
No, it's cool.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
What up? How's it going?
Good, man.
Don't worry, dude. I feel like I was late on you a couple of times.
Nah, you're all good.
Yeah.
I feel like a total man.
No, it's
I
only.
pretty much don't want to do anything that Josh ever does. But I don't know if I can do that.
Yeah, you have it modeled on how not to do it.
Yeah.
Tim,
What's up, Ryan?
Nice to meet you.
he's gonna do some video for me. Sweet.
Is this like a practice space too? Fortunately.
Yeah. A bunch of little cubicles. That's probably Katie's. Or that's probably Jackie's. But we're also gonna do a studio version. So that's what this is. So.
Sick. I get to be in a music video.
I'm gonna double up on videos.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do that.
Gonna be famous now.
Like the good old days, like corn and shit. Like, oh, this is the studio version. What's up? Just have it flying over us. Indoors. Stagnant.
Earlier, like this crazy like stoner metal band that practices next door started going, and it was like making it impossible to concentrate.
All low end.
I just started screaming in here. Suck! That's not tone. Volume isn't tone.
They're all like,
I'm losing my mind in here.
they're like, oh, they're loving it.
The louder, the better.
Yeah.
It's like, what the?
Oh, that's mine.
Oh, like,
It's like this.
It's nice meeting you.
Yeah.
Michelle.
Hell yeah, man.
Be back.
yeah. Hi.
Hi, it's good seeing you.
Alright, thank you guys again. Thanks, Katie.
I'll see you later.
Appreciate the backing vocals.
Yeah.
Thank you for the
Super
fronting
tight.
vocals.